your birthday? You're getting your birthday presents? Working in the yard on your birthday? Oh, good. And you're going to open your presents later? And we're coming to your birthday party tomorrow. Woo! What cake are you going to have, Nicholas? Pink? Pink frosting, yum. Is pink your favorite color? Aiden, come here. Well, wait, I think Aiden wants to say something to Nicholas.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Maggie. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, great. Good singing, Aiden. Let's say thank you.
Thank you.
Good job, buddy.
See you at the party.
Yeah, we'll see you at the party.
I'll see you at the party. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
I think they said bye.
Yeah, I think so.
Aiden, that was so good. Good singing, buddy.
Good singing, buddy.
Yes.